This is PG News. As it became known today, one of the PitchGround team members who did not want his name revealed has made an official statement. I want to make a confession. I can't take this. I'm sorry to burden you with this, but I just cannot hold this in anymore. I'm completely helpless when it comes to dealing with finances. It's so hard to admit it, but I really feel like a useless piece of shit when it comes to accounting. This is so discouraging. Since finances are the core element of every business, in view of this situation, I'm afraid it might have some dire consequences. To tell you more about it, we have our field reporter Val Harchuk at the PitchGround headquarters to fill you in. Val? Thank you, studio. I'm here in Ukraine at the PitchGround video production studio where they do all their videos, but right now it's a ghost town. One of the team members has been officially diagnosed as a financial dummy. I mean, people say I'm damn good with videos and telling stories, but I simply cannot focus on doing what I love because I have to keep my accounting, I feel like a helpless newborn baby with all that taxes, invoices, bills. Oh, please stop the camera. While the doctors are still fighting for his sanity, we have found a perfect solution to save him. A tool named Akounto with K is built for small businesses and solopreneurs to keep their finances and accounting nice and clean. The developers claim that Akounto manages your books so you can scale up your business and feel confident about your finances, send automatic and professional invoices and bills to your clients, and manage your expenses with ease. On top of that, as stated by the Akounto developers, you can even connect your bank account to your Akounto. Studio? Thanks, Val, and we just got a message from the PitchGround officials that now PitchGround is launching a lifetime deal for Akounto, so now you have a chance to get your finances in order and focus on scaling your business. Coming up next, the weather forecast. Stay with us and don't forget to get your lifetime deal at pitchground.com. I want to thank you all for my deliverance. I'm so happy now. Oh man. Can I finally take this blurry thing off my face? Oh, thank you. Much better now.